First and foremost one, what are the softwares required for the Java? For Java programming purpose, what are the softwares required? First one is JDK, Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit, first and foremost software, is a JDK, Java Development Kit. Second one, to develop the programs, to develop the programs. In order to develop the programs, we required one editor. I will be choosing Edit Plus. To develop Java programs, we required one editor. We will be choosing Edit Plus. Edit Plus as an editor. Third one, WinRAR, in order to extract any compressed file. If you want to extract any compressed file, if you want to extract any compressed file extracting purpose, compressed file extracting purpose, we required WinRAR. These are the three softwares required. First one is JDK. It is a development kit. Java development kit. Java development kit. It is a Java software. Java development kit. It is a Java software, especially core Java software. Core Java software. Second one, editing purpose, developing purpose, composing a program. Composing a program. In order to write a program, compose a program, in order to write a program, we required one editor. I'm choosing Edit Plus. We required one editor. I'm choosing Edit Plus. Please observe, Edit Plus is a software which is used for developing programs, editing a program, developing a program, programs developing purpose. Edit Plus is an editor which is used for developing Java programs. Third one, WinRAR. WinRAR. It is used for uncompressing any compressed file. Uncompressing any compressed file. Uncompressing any compressed file. If any compressed file is there, that can be uncompressed. We know very well about zip file. Most of the people aware of the zip file or RAR file. The zip file or RAR file can be uncompressed. We can go for WinRAR. These three softwares we will be downloading and installing today. We will download and install all these three softwares. These three softwares very much required for core Java development. For core Java development, these three softwares are very much required. First and foremost one, very beginning. The first and foremost one, open the Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer. How to open Windows Explorer? Window key and E key. There is a window key left to Alt. You can see left to Alt with a symbol as a window. Left to Alt, there is a key with a symbol as a window. Window and E. E stands for Explorer. Window E. This window is called as a Windows Explorer. Window key and E key. Window key and E key. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer. Go for left side. You can see a frame which contains all the drives. In my system, totally 3 drives are there. In your system, there may be 3 drives or 4 drives or 2 drives or 1 drive only. 1 drive or 2 drives. Left side, it shows all the drives. While selecting any drive, right side, it displays members of the drive. Members of the drive. Generally, C drive will be having operating system. C drive will be having operating system. If you have other drives, let us consider 2 more drives are there, like in my system. Choose one drive for the downloads and installations. Choose another drive for the developments. I repeat, operating system drive. Assume you have 2 more drives. One drive you can choose for. One drive you can choose for downloading and installation. Downloading and installation. One drive for the development purpose. For the development purpose. I repeat once again. Operating system, downloads and installations. Downloads and installations. The last one is development. Development. If you don't have 3 drives, if you don't have 3 drives, then you can go for in the same drive all like a development, installation. So everything you can able to do in the same drive. You can able to do in the same drive if you don't have multiple drives. It's purely up to your system. Left side it is showing drives, right side it is showing members of the drive. Let me close this window. Let me show one more time. Window and E, window key and E key. In my system, 3 drives are there. I'm going to the D drive. I'm going to the D drive. I'm allocating D drive for downloads and installations. Downloads and installations. Let me create one folder. I'm just choosing a folder name, February batch softwares. Create one folder in any of the drive. If you have a 3 drives, then choose a D drive. If you don't have a 3 drives, then in any drive, create one folder. Create one folder. That folder name should not have any uppercase alphabets. Please observe, folder name should not have any uppercase alphabets. Folder name should not have any uppercase alphabets. And even folder name should not have any spaces. Folder name should not have any spaces. Folder name should not have any space. Folder name should not have any uppercase alphabets. If multiple words are there, choose a hyphen. If at all space you mentioned, go for renaming. Don't mention the space in the folder. Java environment not allowing spaces in the folder name. Java environment not allowing spaces in the folder name. Don't allow space in the folder name. Uh, Lara at the rate 123. Lara, lowercase Lara at the rate 1234. So we have a folder where we can download the softwares. The next step is open a browser. Small configuration is required for the browser. Everybody open a browser. In the browser, definitely everybody using Google Chrome. In the browser, go to the type top right. Go to the top right. There are three vertical dots. There are three vertical dots. Top right, three vertical dots. Click on this. Go to the settings. Before downloading, we need to do small setting configuration. Open the browser. Top right, three vertical dots are there. Top right, three vertical dots. Top right, three vertical dots. Click on settings. Click on settings. In the settings, you can see left side downloads. Click on these downloads. Click on these downloads. In the downloads, you can see one field ask where to save each file before downloading. This should be enabled. By default, it may be a disabled like this. Try enabling. In every system, it should be enabled. Then only while downloading, browser will be asking the location. If it is enabled, then only browser will be asking the location. Otherwise, browser will be downloading directly into downloads folder of C drive. That is not recommended. Our softwares should be in our specific folder. All our softwares should be in a specific folder. In a specific folder. Now we are ready to download these options. Let us try downloading one by one. So totally 3 softwares we require. Let us download JDK. For the browser address bar, type oracle.com. Everybody. For the browser address bar, oracle.com. Whenever you go to oracle.com, automatically, you will be getting one banner. Would you like to visit an Oracle countryside closer to you? So please close this banner. Come on, guys. Whenever you go to oracle.com, you will be getting, would you like to visit an Oracle countryside closer to you? We don't require this one. You can close this. Close this banner. You can see the close button. Wi-Fi not connected. What is the problem? Oracle.com. Are you able to go check Google whether you are able to net is working or not? Check. Just open google.com. It's working. Then go to oracle.com. Maybe you might have typed it wrong. Just type oracle.com. Now it's coming. After going to oracle.com, there is one banner. Just to close that one. Then you can see products. Everybody. Click on products. So click on products, come little down in the products. You can see Java. Click on products, Java. In the Java, you can see download Java. You already. You can see download Java. Click on download.
Sir, if we have Java already installed, do we need to do this?
Just to check the procedure. No need of downloading one more time. If you are already having a Java, no need of downloading one more time. You can just to follow. Click on download Java. Everybody, click on download Java. Under Java download, just to come little down, you can see 19 and 17. Let's go for 19 only. By default, 19 only selected. By default, 19 only selected. Under 19, by default, Linux is selected, but we are using Windows. Click on Windows. Under Windows, you can see compressed archive. You can see compressed archive. This is for 64-bit compressed archive. We wanted this only. We need to download this. To download this, there is a download link. Select this download link. Click on this. In any selected place, you have to click. Right to this selection, there is a SHA-256. Don't click on SHA-256. Click on this selected place. Click on this selected place. Once you click on this, you will be getting 64 compressed archive. 64 compressed archive. Click on this. It is asking the location where I had to download. It is asking the location where I had to download. Go to the D drive. Go to the D drive. In the D drive, we already created one folder with a name as February batch software. This is the folder we already created. Go inside this folder and select the JDK. Click on save. Downloading will start. Once downloading is got over, in the left bottom, you can see one tab. In the left bottom, there is one tab. There is an up arrow. If you click on up arrow, you can find a show in folder. For every download in the bottom, you can see the tab. Go to show in folder. JDK downloading got over. One software downloading got over. Let us move to second software. Edit place. Even though you have Eclipse, even though you know how to use Eclipse, my sincere advice, try downloading Edit Place. We will use the Edit Place for 1.5 months. After 1.5 months, we'll start the Eclipse only. That is why everybody should have an Edit Place. Let us see downloading Edit Place. Go to the editplace.com. Go to the editplace.com. In the editplace.com, you can see download. There is a download. Everybody able to follow. Download editplace. Click on this line, selected line.
It is loading like option for
Come again.
it's loading option for backward.
So you are using Mac.
So
Most of the softwares will not be available for Mac. Advice is try installing Windows as a virtual system. Install Windows as a virtual system. Using Mac in India not recommended. While you are searching also you won't get proper solution. Windows only recommended. You can install any Windows as a virtual system. There is a way. If you use Mac, you'll be finding a lot of difficulties. Mac is recommended only in the US. So please observe here. Under downloads, you can see download edit please. Download edit please. Choose the location. Click on save. Come again? No need. One just to select February batch softwares. Same location, February batch softwares. Download into the same softwares folder. Same softwares folder. Same softwares folder. Same softwares folder. If you wanted, you can just to check it out. Left to bottom, there is a tab. Again, show in folder. There is an arrow mark. Show in folder. Edit place also downloaded in the same location. Downloaded into the same location. Second software also we have downloaded. Let's move to the third one. Open a browser. Go to the win-rare.com. Win-rare.com. in-rare.com. You can see download WinRAR. Don't go for buy. Download WinRAR. Click on this download WinRAR. win-rar.com. Then download WinRAR. Go down. Go down. You can see download. Click on download WinRAR. Choose the same location. Same location. All softwares into the same location. All three softwares downloading got over. All three softwares downloading got over. All three softwares. Now let us see installation. Installation of one by one. But before installation, you need to check whether already these softwares available or not. In my system, all these three softwares available. I want to show even uninstallation. That is why I did not uninstall before starting a class. I want to show even uninstallation also. All these three softwares available in my system. Let me show how we can uninstall any software. Everybody, uninstallation. So come to the type here to search in the bottom. In the bottom, type here to search. In the bottom, select a type here to search. So type add or remove. Add or remove. Select add or remove. Select add or remove. Add or remove. Under add or remove, you need to choose the software whichever you wanted to remove. The software whichever you wanted to remove. So I do have both Edit Plus and also WinRAR. You can see the Edit Plus. We can remove the Edit Plus. Select the Edit Plus, click on Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. This is the systematic way to remove any of the software. Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. Click on Yes. Click on Yes. Click on Yes. Click OK. Has been removed. If you don't have edit place already, you don't require to do. If already these softwares are there, then you can uninstall. Since most of the systems already WinRAR maybe. Come to the bottom. You can see WinRAR. Before installing, I'll uninstall WinRAR. Before installation, I will uninstall WinRAR. Click on uninstall.
It's already there.
Try uninstall. This is the systematic way to remove any software, to uninstall any software. To uninstall any software. In order to uninstall any software, this is the procedure. Uninstallation is done. Two softwares I have uninstalled. In case of Java, it was not a installed one in my system. Observe everybody. In case of Java, it was not a installed one in my system. Please come back once again, add or remove. Once again come to the add or remove. In your system, there may be Java. If you really wanted to uninstall, you can uninstall. Whoever downloaded JDK, those people recommended to uninstall. If any Java is there here, or JDK, or JRE, in your system, your seniors, or you yourself, or your family people might have installed Java already. Either Java or JDK or JRE. If it is there, follow the same procedure. If at all you downloaded JDK. So we downloaded JDK. If at all you have a Java installation already, either Java or JDK or JRE, select and uninstall. Select and then uninstall. Select and then uninstall. Select and uninstall. In my system, I did not install JDK. It was a compressed one, not the installer. I just updated one of the environment variable. Let us see the same environment variable removing. Everybody, please follow me. In your system also, there may be one environment variable. You should remove the same. In the Windows Explorer, left side, you can see this PC. In the Windows Explorer, left side, you can see this PC. Right click on this PC. Right click on this PC. Go to Properties. Right click on this PC. Go to the Properties. Right click on this PC, go to properties. Under properties, come little bottom, look for advanced system settings. Either in the bottom or right side you can see. Look for advanced system settings. Look for advanced system settings. Now you can see environment variables. Click on environment variables. Click on environment variables. Click on environment variables. Under environment variables, you can see path in the upper section. You can see path in the upper section. You can see path in the upper section. Select the path, click on edit. Select the path, click on edit. Click on edit. Here, if at all you are seeing JDK bin, in my system you can see the last, you can check it out, JDK 1901/bin. If you find this type of entry, then select and remove. If you are not finding JDK bin, you don't require to remove. If you are not finding JDK bin, no need of doing anything. There is a JDK bin in my system, select and delete. Then click OK. This should be removed. One more also, in the bottom section there is a path. In the bottom section also there is a path. In the bottom section there is a path. Again select the path, click on edit in the bottom. Click on edit in the bottom. Here you'll be finding several entries. Here also sometimes JDK bin might be. Here also sometimes JDK bin. Sometimes JDK bin. If JDK bin is there, select that and remove. If there is no JDK bin, you don't require to bother. There may be some other bins. Don't select that. Don't remove that. If it is JDK bin, then only try removing. Click OK. Click OK in all the windows. In every window, click OK. In all the windows, click OK. Now, my system is free from Java development softwares. No Java related softwares. We can consider like a new system. It doesn't have anything related to these three Java required softwares. Totally free from Java. Now, let's open a command prompt to check whether really Java is there or not. Practical checking. So type window R, window key. We are very extensively using window key. Left to alt, whatever is there, that is a window. Left to alt, whatever is there, that is window. Window and R. Window key, R key. You'll get one small window in the left bottom. Small window. Type CMD. Type CMD and press enter. Type CMD, press enter. You can see the command prompt. It is called as a command prompt where we can run the commands. In your system, background may be a black color. Don't worry about the color. I just changed the color. Any color. Finally, you can observe C drive, users folder, and username. In my system, username is a Dell. So by default, C drive, users folder, and username. This is called as a command prompt. Command prompt. This is used for running the commands. Running the commands. To check whether Java is available or not, trigger Java C space hyphen version. Everybody run this command. Java C space hyphen version. If you get this message, I'm not able to recognize what is Java C. Java C is not recognized as an internal or external or operable or batch file. Then Java is not available in the system. This command we are not able to run. If we are able to run this one, then somewhere Java is there in your system. If you are able to run successfully, if it is providing a version of Java, then in your system, somewhere Java is available. So even you can also run this command.
Sir, version 18 is okay or 19 we need to install?
So better 19. You can also go for 17. But we are using
18.
only JDK 8. No matter
Yeah.
which is the software which is the version we are installing, industry required only JDK 8. Only JDK 8 features are highly sufficient.
Okay.
These two commands, if we are finding this type of error message, now Java is not available in the system. It's completely a new system related to Java. A new system related to Java. It's completely a new system related to Java. Now come to the place where all softwares are downloaded. In the D drive, February batch SW. This is the place where all softwares available. D drive, February batch, DB. D drive, February batch DEV, February batch DEV. Here three softwares are there. Try observing how JDK display. It is almost a kind of folder. Observe everybody how JDK software is displayed. It's a kind of, the icon is a folder icon. The icon is a folder icon. Folder icon. Now, let us install WinRAR. Everybody, I'll try to install WinRAR. After installing WinRAR, you can observe how JDK icon will be. Now, WinRAR. Everybody, double click on WinRAR. Double click on WinRAR. Click on yes. Click on install. Click on OK. Installation of WinRAR is very simple. Click on done. No need of doing any changes. WinRAR installation. Once this window is opened, WinRAR installation is success. Once this window, please observe in my project, in my system. If this window is open, WinRAR installation is very success. Click on close. Close this window. That is top window. Now you can observe how JDK icon is displayed. Earlier JDK icon, it was like a folder. Now JDK icon, it is similar to WinRAR. This JDK folder, it is a compressed one. WinRAR is used for uncompressing. WinRAR is used for uncompressing. So we installed WinRAR. All compressed files are displaying through WinRAR symbol. JDK is a compressed one. We downloaded compressed one, not the installer. Let me show once again which we have downloaded. Go to the Oracle.com for more clarity purpose. Go to the products, Java, download Java. In the bottom, Java 19 Windows. You can see clearly compressed archive. Compressed archive. We downloaded compressed one. This compressed one we can uncompress by using WinRAR. That is why we installed WinRAR. After installing WinRAR, JDK folder display, JDK software display itself is changed. Earlier it was folder display, now it is WinRAR display. So we installed only WinRAR. Let us install Edit Plus. Come on. Edit Plus installation also very simple. Very, very simple. Double click on EPP. First file. Double click on EPP first file. Click on accept. Click on yes. Click on Start to copy. No need of changing anything. Click OK. Installation of Edit Plus got over. WinRAR is installed. Edit Plus is installed. These two are the installers, Edit Plus and WinRAR. Let's move to the main JDK. It is not an installer. It's a compressive one. You need to uncompress. For the uncompressing purpose, we require WinRAR. WinRAR is already available. Right click on JDK software. Right click on JDK software. Everybody. Right click on JDK software. Open with WinRAR archiver. Open with WinRAR archiver. Open with WinRAR archiver. WinRAR archiver. Select this. So there is a add button and extract to button. Click on extract to. There is a extract to button. Click on extract to button. Click OK. In the bottom you can see OK. No need of changing anything. Now close this window. You can see automatically one folder. It is an extracted bundle, extracted folder. RAR file content extracted into one folder by using WinRAR software. By using WinRAR software, we extract. Go inside a JDK folder. There is a JDK 1902. 1902. Everybody, in the extracted bundle, in the extracted folder, there is a folder with the name as JDK 1902. Go inside. You can see the bin folder. Bin stands for binary. Bin stands for binary. Inside a bin folder, all command files will be available. Go inside a bin folder. Inside a bin folder, come little down. You can see Java command, Java C command. Java command and Java C command. These two commands we are using for every program. For every Java program, these two commands we have to use. Everybody, we should use these two commands for every Java program. Java C stands for Java compiler. Java C stands for compiler. In order to compile a program, we have to use Java C. In order to run the program, we have to use Java command. Without these two commands, we cannot develop any Java program. These commands are available in the bin folder. These commands are available in the bin folder. Now everybody press Alt D, Alt D. What is the effect you are getting while typing Alt D, Alt D? Address bar is selected, Alt D, Alt D, D stands for directory. Alt D, address bar is open. In this address bar also, you can type a CMD to open a command prompt directly to this particular folder. So whichever is selected address bar, there type CMD, 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 CMD. Press enter. One second. Alt D, CMD, press enter. Alt D, CMD. Now you can observe, while opening previous command prompt, it was open to C drive users folder username. But now D drive, February batch, JDK, JDK19, and then 2. This is like a location of Java C command and Java command. In this location only Java C and Java command available. In this particular location only Java C command and Java command available. Trigger Java C space version. Java C space version. Java C space hyphen version. Space hyphen version. Even Java space hyphen version. Now you are not getting errors. Java space hyphen version. Let us close this command prompt. Exit. Close the command prompt. Type exit and press enter. Let me show one more time. Everybody, let me close these all files. Close every file. I'll show all the things to open right from the beginning. First and foremost, one window E. Window E. Window key and E key. Windows Explorer is starting. You need to know each and every step. Guys, everybody. We are not learning for the semester paper writing. We are learning for life purpose. Every day you'll be using this. If you go for Alt space bar and X, Alt space bar X, maximizing. Alt space bar and X, maximizing. Alt space bar and X. Now come to the D drive. D drive, come on. In the D drive, February batch is W. In the D drive, February batch is W. February batch is W. February batch is W. Go inside. Go inside. So JDK software is there in the folder. What is the folder? The 19 Windows 64-bit. Windows 64-bit. Windows 64-bit. Go inside. You can find JDK 1902. Go inside. You can see bin. Go inside. This is the location where javac command and java command available. So let me show javac command and java command. Javac, Java. Javac, Java. These two are command files. To run these command files, you need to open a command prompt. You need to go to the command prompt. Go to the command prompt. Everybody. Go to the command prompt. Alt D. Come on, guys. Left to Windows. Sorry, left to space. Left to space. Alt is there. Alt D. D stands for directory. For current directory. Come on. D stands for directory. For the current directory, I want to do something. For current directory, I want to do something. Alt D, selecting address bar, type CMD, CMD, press enter. Command prompt opened to the current directory bin folder. bin. Check it out. Bin folder. Now trigger Java C command. Java C command. Trigger Java C command. Java C command. Space hyphen version. Java C space hyphen version. Java C space hyphen version. Press enter. Java space hyphen version. Java. Welcome. Java C space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version. We are able to run Java C command successfully, Java command also successfully. Let me show one more time all these steps. Close all the windows, everybody. Close all the windows. Windows space bar and C. Sorry, Alt space bar and C for closing. Alt space bar and C. Alt space bar C for closing purpose. Let us see all the things once again. Window E, Explorer. Window E, Window E, Explorer, Explorer. Go to the D drive. Go to the D drive. In the D drive, in the D drive, go to the D drive. Inside a D drive, inside a D drive, everybody, D drive. You can see February batch is W. February batch is W. This is the folder which we have created. Go inside. There is a JDK extracted bundle. Go inside. This is the JDK extracted bundle. You can see JDK 19.0.2. JDK 19.0.2. Go inside. You can see bin folder. Inside. This is the location where Java C command is physically available. Java command is physically available. Now press Alt D, D, Alt D, path of a directory. Selecting path of the directory, type CMD, press enter. Type CMD, press enter. Automatically it is opening to the bin folder. Trigger Java C command with a version. Java command with a version. Now observe one simple point. In the command prompt, we are inside a D drive, February batch, JDK bin. This is the current location for Java C command and Java command. Current location. Small change. You cannot run Java C and Java. Let us see what is that change. Everybody, cd space dot dot. Everybody type cd space dot dot. CD stands for change directory. 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 CD space dot dot. CD stands for change directory. Dot dot stands for parent to the current directory. Come on. In the command prompt, dot dot represents parent to the current directory. Parent to the current directory.
Should be even after CD.
Yes. CD space then dot dot.
This parent here. Parent here.
You cannot type parent. You have to go for dot dot that represents a parent. Parent to bin is JDK 19.0.2.
Because CD we can't give only
Means you are asking only dot dot dot. It cannot be possible. So change current directory to the parent. Meaning of this is change current directory to the parent. CD is a command, name of the command. That command available in the operating system. Through that command, we can change the current directory. What is the current directory? That is parent. Press enter. You can see the parent. We are moving to the parent. Earlier we were in the bin folder. Now parent of the bin. Parent of the bin. Like a one step before. Going one step. I'll show you. JDK 1902. Now trigger Java C command. You will be getting an error. Why? Because in this particular location, Java C is not available. In this particular location, Java also not available. Always, we need to run the command from the place where that command is available. So commands are available in the Win folder. We are running from the JDK 19.0.2. Commands are available in the bin folder, but we are running in the JDK 19.0 and 2.
But it is there in Java JDK folder.
Yes, even though we are in the JDK, in the current folder, Java C is not there. In the subfolder only, Java C is there. So if you wanted, you can type dir. Everybody, type the dir. Dir is used for browsing members of the current directory. Browsing members of the current directory. So what are the members in the current directory? Bin is a one member, conf is a one member, includes jmods, legal, lib, license, read, release. Where is Java C? Where is Java? Java C command not available. Java command also not available. Java C command not available. Java command also not available in the current. dir. It is for, it's like a directory. It is used for browsing members of the current directory. Browsing or listing.
So this API present the location is specific
That is
location.
different. In the Linux, that is it. Mac, it follows the Linux commands. So here, almost all Windows commands. dir. This is the command used for listing or browsing. Listing or browsing current directory members. Current directory members. Whatever members are there in the current directory. Whatever members are there in the current directory. Whatever members are there in the current directory, all that members are browsing. Current directory members, browse. Current directory members, browse. So, try doing one more thing, everybody. CD space bin. By using CD command, we are going back to bin. By using CD command. Now you can able to trigger Java C command and Java command. Here also, if you wanted, you can mention dir. Lot of members are there in the bin folder. Several members will be listed. So to clear the command prompt, you can use CLS command. to clear the command prompt. In order to clear the command prompt, CLS. The ground rule you have to remember is any command we can run from the current directory by default. Any command we can run from the current directory. Let me go for cd space dot dot slash dot dot. Two parents back. You have to give a separator between one parent and another parent. Parent and grandparent. It goes to JDK 19 Windows x64 and Win. You have to give a forward slash while moving two steps back. While moving two steps back, you have to give a forward slash. Forward slash is a separator between one directory and another directory. Between one directory and another directory. One directory to the other directory. Now trigger Java C command to check. Definitely you cannot run. In the current directory, there is no Java C. In the current directory, there is no Java. If you wanted, you can type dir to check the current folder members. Browsing members of a current folder. There is only one member. That is a directory. So very important point you have to remember is by default, any command we can run from the place where that command is available. By default, every command we can able to run from the place where that command is available. Let me go for cd space, everybody. Cd space, just to type JDK, press a tab, JDK, then press a tab. Automatically you are getting a remaining portion of the directory name. CD space B, then press a tab. Automatically you are getting a bin. Now we are able to trigger Java C command. In the current directory, Java C is available. In the current directory, Java C is available. Java also available. Let us see one more time, everybody. This time I'll go for cd space dot dot backward slash dot dot backward slash. Backward slash or forward slash, both you can use for the separation. Backward slash or forward slash. Backward slash or forward slash. Now you can see you are in the D drive, February batch D, sorry, software. You cannot trigger Java C command. You cannot trigger Java command. From other locations, 200%. From other locations, 200%. We cannot. CD space. Let's go for JDK. Reset tab. No need of remembering any folder. Completely typing. Give a slash JDK. It is taking only the current folder. Press enter. Then CD space JDK. CD space build. Trigger Java Z command. So please observe. Commands we have to run from the command prompt. But the command prompt will have a lot of locations. By default, we can run any command from only the place where command is available. From only the place where command is available. We cannot run from outside. Now here, let us check it out. In my system, E drive is there. In my system, E drive, just to type E colon. E colon. If you have a E drive, it will go to the E drive. If you have a E drive, go to the E drive. Trigger Java C, you'll get an error. Trigger Java, you'll get an error. See, if you are looking for going to the C drive, C colon, Java C with a version, you'll get an error. Java with a version, you'll get an error. Let me close this window. Alt space bar and C. To close any window, Alt space bar and C. Alt space bar and C. So let me open command prompt through window R. Type window R. Window command R command. Type CMD. Window command R command. Type CMD. Press enter. By default, command prompt opens to C users and username. Java C, you'll get an error. Java, you'll get an error. Why? Because in the current directory, Java C not available, Java also not available. In the current directory, no Java C, no Java. Go to the D drive, D colon, everybody, D colon, D colon, D colon. D colon. CD space, FEB, CD space. We created one folder in the D drive. Just to type FEB, you can see automatically batch SW with a tab. With a tab. We are in the February batch software. February batch software. Again, go to the CD space, JDK tab. Again, CD space, JDK tab. Again, CD space, bin. Bin folder. Now you can trigger Java. See. So everybody might have understood from where commands we can run by default. From where we can run the commands by default. By default, we can run the commands. By default, we can run the commands only from the place where commands are available. Only from the place where commands are available. You cannot run even from its parent also. We cannot run from other locations. By default, any command we can run only from the place where it is available. Where it is available. We cannot run even from its parent also. We cannot run even from its parent also. How to run any command from any location? I want to run Java C command from C drive, D drive, E drive, any location, not only one particular bin folder. In order to run a command from any location in the command prompt, in order to run a command from any location from the command prompt, we require to specify our Java commands environment. For that purpose, there is one environment variable. We need to update environment variable. Through environment variable, we can specify some information about the environment. Ours is a Java environment. How command prompt will know where Java is available by default? By default, command prompt searching for any command only in the current location. Searching for any command only in the current location. Searching for any command only in the current location. By default, any command searching only in the current location. If you want to search a command in across the system, then the command location should be updated in the environment variable. That environment variable is a path. Path is one of the environment variable used for specifying commands location. Used for specifying commands location. Path environment variable. Path environment variable used for specifying commands locations. In order to mention commands locations, in order to specify commands locations, in order to specify commands locations, in order to mention the commands location, then we need to update path. Let us see the procedure of updating a path. There are three different ways available to update a path. First and foremost one, everybody understand why do we require a path. Path is an environment type of environment. By using path we can specify. By using path we can specify our environment, Java environment, commands location, Java commands location. Take the Java commands location, specify in the path. Specifying environment location. Specifying environment location. Specifying environment location. Location. Path. Just to come to the D drive, February batches given. February batches given. JDK. JDK. Go to bit fold. In this folder only Java C command available. This is the path we need to mention in the environment. This is the location we have to specify in the environment variable. Again go for Alt D. Don't type CMD, copy. Selected one we have to copy.
Creating path for only
In the bin folder, whatever files are there, all files. So we are specifying bin folder. Inside a bin folder, whatever commands are there, for all the commands we are trying to set a path. Copy this location, Control C. Go for window R, type CMD. Window R, type CMD. Window R, type CMD. Go for set space path is equal to set space path is equal to right click and paste whatever you copied. Right click and paste. Set is a command. Path is the name of the environment variable. Then whatever you are assigning, that is a location of Java environment. Java commands locations. We set a path. We set a path. Come on, guys. We have set a path. Now you can trigger Java C command. You can trigger Java command. You can able to trigger these two from anywhere. Why? Because we said where is Java C through a path to the command prompt. Now you can run Java C command and Java command from any location from this command prompt. Yes, now we are setting in the command prompt. We'll see. See, there are multiple ways. I'll show one by one. So please observe Java C version, Java version. So please observe. We set a path explicitly. We set a path explicitly. Now command prompt recognizing whatever commands available in the bin folder. Whatever commands available in the bin folder, all the commands, command prompt is knowing. Java C version. You can go to the E drive, you can trigger. Absolutely possible. You can trigger Java command. Absolutely possible. This is one way of setting a path. This is one way of setting a path. So here, the major limitation is, it is for current command prompt, not for other command prompts. For one window setting a path. For one window, we are setting a path. Let me open another command prompt, window or second command prompt. Trigger Java C command directly. We are not able. Java command directly. Java C command and Java. Let us set a path. Everybody, set command. Set command. path is equal to set command path is equal to. Right click and paste whatever you copied into the clipboard. Now you can trigger Java C with a version, Java with a version. Now you can go to the D drive, trigger Java C. You can go to the E drive, trigger Java C. This is one way of setting a path. It will be visible only to the current command prompt. It will be visible only to the current command prompt. It is visible only to the current command prompt. It is visible only to the current command prompt. It is not visible to other command prompts. It is visible to only current command prompt. It is not visible to other command prompts. Let me open new command prompt, window R, CMD, trigger Java C. Go to the E drive, trigger Java C. Let us set a path here also. Set space path is equal to set space path is equal to right click and paste. Set space path is equal to. Now you can trigger Java C command. This is one way of setting a path. It is for only one command prompt. It is not globally. For one command prompt. For one command prompt. Local to the current command prompt. I'll show one more time. Open a new command prompt. Window R. Trigger Java C. No. Go to the E drive. Trigger Java C. No. Set the path. Come on. Set space path is equal to. Right click and paste. Press enter. Now trigger Java C. One way of setting a path. Local to the command prompt. Local to the command prompt. Local to the command. Let us see second way. Second way, for all the command prompts of one user. One user, every command prompt. One user, one user, one user, every command prompt. First close all the command prompts. Close all windows of command prompts. Go to the Windows Explorer. Second approach I am showing. Go to the Windows Explorer. Right click, properties. Right click, properties. Right click on this PC, go to properties, go to properties. Under properties, you can come little down. You can see advanced system settings. Click on advanced system settings. Environment variables. Now select a path under user level. Please observe second type is user variables. User variables. Under user level, that is first one, select a path. Select a path. Path. Click on edit. Click on edit. Go to the new. Click on new. Control V. In the bottom, you need to mention. In the bottom, you need to mention completely copied JDK bin folder. Now click OK in all the windows. Click OK in all the windows. OK in all the windows. That's all. Now open a command prompt, CMD. So window R CMD, trigger Java C, trigger Java. Go to the D drive, trigger Java C command, trigger Java. Any drive. Close this command prompt. Open a new command prompt. For every command prompt, for one user, even after restarting the system also, this path will be visible to the current user. Current user in my system, current user is a Dell. Current user is a Dell. For the Dell user, we set a path. For the Dell user, we have set a path. For one user, even after restarting, forever, as long as you are using the system without formatting. Whenever you format, at that time, all environment variables will be erasing. So one time permanently setting in the globally my PC for one user. For one user, setting a path permanently for all the command prompts, even restarting also. After restarting also, this path will be visible. This is the recommended approach rather than set command. If it is a set command, you need to set a path every time for every command. for every command prompt. For every command prompt. The recommended is a second approach, that is user level. This user level, it is only for current user. It is only for the current user. Only for one user. Only for current user. Not for all the users. System may have multiple users. Operating system may have multiple user accounts. How to set environment variable for all the user accounts? For every user account, how to set environment variable. I'll show that one. Don't follow that. Why? Because it is recommended to configure anything for current user, not recommended to configure anything for all the users. Environment variable, try configuring under user level. User level only recommended. There is another level global to the system for every user. For every user, that is called as a system level. System level environment variable updation. See how. So right click on this PC. Go to the properties. Same location. Right click on this PC. Go to the properties. Right click on this PC. Go to the properties. Right click on this PC. Go to the properties. Come to the advanced system settings. Environment variables. Environment variables. See here, two sections are there. First one is a user level. Second one is a system level. You can see the title also, system variables. The system variables are global to every user. Global to every user. Global to every user. Here you can see path. Go to the edit. Select the path and click on edit. Then go to the new. Control V. This is the procedure. Clicking OK in all the windows, but we don't want this approach. I'm canceling. System level not recommended. User level only recommended. System level not recommended. User level only recommended. System level not recommended. User level only recommended. Now, everybody, we have seen why do we require path. We have seen what are the ways available to set a path. Let us revive. Why do we require a path? To specify commands locations to the command prompt. To specify commands locations to the command prompt. If command prompt is knowing your commands locations, then you can run the command from anywhere. Command prompt should know where your commands available. If command prompt knowing the location of your commands, then you can run that command from C drive or from D drive or from E drive. If command prompt not knowing the location of your commands, then you cannot run from all the locations. You can run only from the current location of the place where command is available. By default, we can run the command only from the place where that command is available. If at all you updated a path, then command prompt knows your command's locations. Then you can run from C drive or D drive or E drive. Path is a environment variable. used for specifying commands environment, like our software environment location, mainly our commands locations, mainly our commands locations. Then what are the different ways available to set up a, what are the different ways available to set up a, what are the different ways available to set up a? There are totally three different approaches, three different ways. One is C. You are not keeping your JDK in the C drive root directory. Run multiple folders. How to run from different folders? Forget about one drive is there or multiple drives are there. Location is a one folder location. In the C drive, there may be 100 folders. I need to run from any folder. If command prompt knows exact location of your command, then you can run same command from any folder. Got it? In entire location. Please observe three different ways available. Three different ways available to update a command. Sorry, to update the path. To update the path. First one, command prompt wise. For only one command prompt, we are specifying location of your command. Only for one command prompt, we are specifying location of the command. That is through set command. Operating system provided a set command. Use the same set command. Use the same set command. By using that set command, we can able to set a path. If you are setting a path, by using set command, then that path will be visible only for the current command prompt. That will not be available to other command prompt, other command window. Every command window you need to set a path through set. That is not a recommended approach. Second one is for one user. For one user. For one user setting setting a path for all the command prompts. Even it should be visible in the restart also, after restarting also. But for the same user. In the My PC globally, under user level, set a path. Under user level, set a path. Path will be visible for the current user. The third approach for all the users of the system, for every user account of the system, under same IPC globally, under same IPC globally, under same IPC globally, but under system level, if it is setting under system level, it will be visible to every user. Let's open command prompt once again. There is a simple command echo ECHO percentage name of the environment variable percentage. Go space percentage path to percentage. Type this command everybody.
Locate the location of
Yes, all the entries whatever you set in the path. In the path whatever entries you set. You can see the last one. Yeah, that's correct. See, whenever you are triggering echo command, it takes both the locations, system level path, user level path. That is why you are able to see these many commands. sorry, these many locations. Our location is showing last. This is our location. In addition to that, whatever already available in both the paths, user level path, system level path, both it will be giving. First is a system level path, second is a user level path. How to read any environment variable value? How to read any environment variable value? In order to read environment variable value, 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 environment variable value, in order to read environment variable value, in order to read environment variable value, environment variable value, all values, go for echo space percentage, name of the environment variable, percentage, space is required. Yeah. This is all about environment variable setup. The complete JDK setup is ready. We are able to run commands also. We have a edit place. In the next class, I'll show you Java programs development. My sincere advice to all the people, uninstall all the softwares. I showed the procedure of uninstallation. Install once again, second time, third time. You should have a each and every point very clear understanding. Whatever you noted down, experiment again and again. So something like this installation, downloading, path environment variable. Today only you have to study. Tomorrow onwards you should not study at all for entire life. That is how you have to prepare. Whatever you are studying today, that you should not revive even after 6 months also. Today itself, practice 10 times, 15 times. You should get a confirmation from your brain, like permanently recorded, no need of reviving once again. Then only you have to stop. Till that you have to keep repeating again and again. Java is a ocean. You should not look for revision. If you are looking for revision itself, there is a chance of taking 1 month time. So definitely interviewer will not be giving 1 month time. After 1 month revision, again you have to revive first 10 days content. That is why, while preparing itself, while studying itself, practice 10, 15 times. Each and every point, whatever you noted down, experiment again and again. Observe clearly. That type of preparation required in the software. Anyhow, today also I recorded. So few days, maybe 1 or 2 days, I'll be recording and I'll be sharing this recorded file. Maybe another 2-3 hours, you'll be getting the recorded file. Go through one more time. There is no wrong. Initially, you have to get 100% confidence. Got it too. So go through fully again and again. Tomorrow we'll see sharply by 9 o'clock. Class is not at 9:30. Be here by 9 o'clock. Better to come down at least 5 minutes before or 10 minutes before. So 9 is not like a 6 o'clock. If class is at 6 o'clock, definitely I can wait for 10-15 minutes. But 9 o'clock, it's very possible. Be here everybody by 9 o'clock. Even online people also try joining before 9 o'clock, not like after 9 o'clock. So today also, I observed most of the people joining after 10 minutes, after 15 minutes. That is not recommended. Be here before 10 minutes itself. And tomorrow's link and password also same. So no need of asking me, you can use the same password, same link for online people. That's all for today. Enjoy, Karo. All the very best.